guys, this is Halal Review again, and we are going to Melbourne CBD today to try some breakfast in CBD.
Yeah, guys, we are in Jennifer Station, so we are going to go by public transport today, and we're going to experience the Melbourne CBD. So we are going to have a breakfast. So let's check in. If you are using an Android, you can add Google Pay to that, the Mikey. So I'm going to tap it. It's all done. It's so simple.
Yeah, we have to wear the mask right now because of the COVID around Melbourne, but we don't have any cases like around maybe 2-3 weeks. Yeah.
And that's the current restrictions. We need to follow it. Okay, we are waiting for the train. Like it's gonna arrive soon.
In a minute. Yeah, it's coming. Yeah, guys, we are right at the Flagstaff station in the CBD, and we were searching for a good halal breakfast, and we found out there is a vegetarian breakfast around like a couple of minutes from here. It's Saravana Bhavan, so we're gonna go there and taste it, and we're gonna catch the train for that.
Yeah, guys. So if you live in Melbourne, there is in the city there are free tram zones. Like you can see here the sign. So if you see this, you no need to tap your Mikey. So you can just travel within the city. So that's really interesting. And yeah, our tram is on the way, like 3 minutes away.
Stop 5.
We are right at the Burke Street tram stop, and we're gonna go there and walk like a couple of minutes to get to the Saravana Bhavan.
Mate, starving.
In Victoria, we don't need to wear mask in public, like open places. Only in closed places where we can maintain our social distance, we have to wear the mask. So we remove the mask. It's Saravana Bhavan. 131 King Street.
Welcome to Sarana Bhavan.
Sarana Bhavan.
You can have a seat on the table and see you.
Guys, so they have the contactless dining menu. Like, we need to scan this and order through online. You can see the menu will pop up, and we need to select our table. 3
Number of
and
person.
2. Okay, our menu will load, and then I am really starving, so I had plans to get a masala dosa.
I hope you guys can see. There are plenty of menu like medu vada, sambar vada, rasa vada, curd vada. From there, it's like local inspiration. These also are starters. The menu is really big. It's long. And we'll check out what's the best day. Look at this. We received the food already. I ordered idli and vada. It comes with 2 idli and 1 vada with some ketchup, the green. They call it chutney. Yeah, it could be chutney and sambar.
Yeah, guys. So I ordered masala dosa. So which you can see like sambar and like I don't know what this actually is.
So that is sambar.
Like
That is sambar.
yeah.
This should be chutney, like a kind of chutneys.
Yeah. So this one of the special foods in South India. So which is similar to Sri Lankan, but I'm going to try it like after some time.
Yeah, like as you can see, it looks really soft. We call it lentil patties. It's actually idli, the real Tamil name or like South Indian name idli. But we can in English it is lentil patties, and this is vada. Let me try it.
As you can see here, the masalas inside, potato, it's looking really fresh. So I think I'm starving. I've been waiting here for some time, but it's not that bad. They took around 15 minutes, so that's fair enough.
That's right. I have tried idli in many places, but this idli is so soft, like as tender as like when you just start, it will break itself like this.
I think they should have added more potatoes in the masalas in here. It's a quite a big sale, but the masalas are not enough for me.
I never tried masala dosa. Those chutneys have little bit spicy flavors. The white color one, I mean I can call it white chutney, and the green chutney and the red chutney. It has 3 different tastes. Let me try it.
What is this called?
Sambar
Then what is this?
chutney,
Okay.
and red chutney is like bit sweeter, and green chutney.
Here we go. The potato is what they call as masala. Included everything. So I'm going to try a big portion.
Let me try the vada as well. Anyway, we have to eat with the hand. That's what the original South Indian, Sri Lankan foods are meant to be actually. It tastes better with the hands. You better try with the hands. Don't try with a spoon, please. Vada is good, but I can't say I never tried better than this because I have tried many vada. This is one of the, I can say even one of the best. It's good. I can't complain about this. That's good. And I'm not fond of sweet sambar. It's like the red one. It's sweeter. I don't like sweet when I eat for breakfast actually. That's why I don't eat pancakes at all.
I don't have much talking to do because I'm so hungry. I'm a night owl normally, but at the start of the week I wake up in the morning. That's how my week starts, and like I've been going to bed like around 6. So
6 p.m. or 6 a.m. Oh my god. Sambar is so good. See? This is so good. Like, let me pour it over there. I'm just gonna try it. Like, it's better when it's dipped so well. It's covered. The lentil cake or lentil patties. It's when it's covered fully with the sambar and bit of chutney together.
I think we need to order a chai.
Yeah,
Without chai, no point of having this.
yeah, exactly. In Indian culture, like all South Asian culture, chais are much better. Chais are like milk tea. We call it in Sri Lanka, we call it milk tea. In most of the place, it's called milk tea, hot milk tea. And in India, some other places, they call it chai. Yeah, or cha.
So what tea are you going to try? Masala tea, rose milk.
No. Just a masala tea. I think masala tea is the normal tea. It should be. I'm not pretty sure.
You want to try that?
Yeah, we get. I get masala tea. Yeah.
Okay.
What are you gonna get?
Try the milk tea.
Can you ask?
Excuse me. Do you have milk tea?
milk tea.
Yeah.
The cha.
Oh,
Is it
it's-
similar with masala?
Masala tea is.
Masala tea is the milk tea. So I ordered two. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah, so I just confirmed. So they in Sri Lanka we used to call it as milk tea, but in India they say like masala tea for the same like for the milk tea. Okay, we'll order two. Oh, we'll try something else.
I'm good with milk tea, man. I don't want to try like because the breakfast is better. I mean, actually, it tastes good. I can't complain.
Okay,
But
okay, we'll order.
and as
Done.
for this bit of spice in breakfast, a masala tea will be great.
All done. I think it will be here.
You ordered masala tea as well, right?
Yeah, so it's maybe I think it's like a can't complain meal. Not too good and not too bad. I would say the masala inside the masala dosa is the portion is not like for me it felt like not enough curry inside. Other than that, it's good. So I was really hungry, and yeah, I had it, and I'm waiting for the masala tea to arrive.
You got the masala dosa and masala tea.
Yeah, I think the perfect combination.
No, it's not. Idli vada and tea is the perfect combination. It should be. I'm not pretty sure, but yeah. I mean, like, I can say their sambar is good. Not good, it's best. I can't say best of the best, but in Melbourne, I never tried sambar like this. Like I have been to many Indian restaurants where they serve sambar with other dishes. I'm not pretty sure with other dishes, but they serve sambar in many dishes. But this sambar is better than any Melbourne Indian restaurant. We got the tea. They call it masala tea, but it's same as it smells masala, but a bit different than a normal milk tea. But I just want to show you that the other plates was really clean, but this isn't. It has some used marks. I think their dishwasher is not good enough. So I'm gonna try with the no sugar at all. They gave us extra sugar if we want to try extra sugar.
So I'm going to try with one sugar.
I think I need a sugar as well.
One sugar is more than enough. It just making it. Try.
I just put only half.
Bismillah.
Only half.
I can feel the masala. This is different from our tea.
Yeah, it should be because we add only milk, sugar, and tea. That's it. But they're adding some masalas as well, I think. It's good.
I would give 3 out of 5.
2 out of 5 for that thing. Yep. I don't think this is the good tea at all. I can't say really bad, but it's not good enough.
It's not good enough for us, I think. We are not used to this. We are used to the other tea. But the
Yeah.
flavors in here is like not bad. Yeah, but
All one sugar. I can stop myself.
this place is busy enough.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep. You can see around there are many people. This place looks really busy.
and it's like middle of the city. So
Yeah, it's in a good place. It's located in a good place in Melbourne.
it's not that expensive here, but somewhat.
I can't say it's expensive, but what I got is 2 idli, 1 vada. The portion is small. They can serve much a better portion, but for the price it's just around $9.99. But for the price, it's good. And the tea,
But for the
it's-
tea, it's $5. It's not worth it.
Yeah.
I think around $3 might be
Yeah,
a better
most
price.
of the
Yeah.
Indian restaurant, the tea price is $3.50 or $3, and they have better tea as well. We're gonna end up our video. I think you're gonna like this. If you like, I don't want to say if you like, go and like our video. I think there will be bad and good as well. If there's something good, we can share in our comment as a feedback as well. If we have to improve something, please recommend us so we can improve. And if there's a good restaurant around halal restaurant around Melbourne, you can recommend us so we're gonna go there and taste their food and review. So other people will also get to know what the best food halal food in Melbourne.
Yeah, guys. So I'm not going to talk much, but I thought we had a fairly good food, and so we are going to finish this video. So please like, share, and subscribe, and keep supporting. Peace.